2017, a landmark year in the history of the global crane industry. What happens when two crane giants come together, creating one technology company with a global reach? The coming together of Kone Cranes and MHPS meant a combination of 18,000 employees from across the globe. How was the integration of two cultures handled by human resources?
2017 has been a year which is an important year for Kone Cranes as two crane manufacturing aces merge their businesses. When it comes to people, human resources function had innumerable challenges. Challenges with respect to the changes in the leadership team, people's movement within the organization, two different cultures came together, integration of policies.
We understand that people make a difference for ourselves. When we look at last year, when two legacies integrated, it was an integration of the HR processes as well as the people along with their emotions, because people are going to experience the real change management.
Change initially was quite resistant. To do that, one of the best effort which Human Resource Department has took in year 2017 was change management workshop. So in that workshop, we have told people what is change management, what will be the benefit of integration as an individual or as a team, and as a manager, how can you support your team throughout the integration process.
To conclude, I can only say a couple of things that 2017 has been a pretty good year for the entire Kone Cranes group and for the entire human resources team. It's been a one step towards making Kone Cranes as a best place to work.
When minds are aligned, opportunities follow. 2017 has seen us fulfill a formidable quest. What avenues does collaboration open up for engineering? The core of it all?
Integration talks about synergies, and we are quite excited about the opportunities that it brings to collaborate with teams together, work on new products, build them, support them, and take it further.
In 2017, we were able to understand more about the products as well as the processes from both the companies. There were also quite challenges in understanding the systems, using two different systems for different products, but we have overcome those challenges.
Now we have to find out the best practices followed by each team, and we have to identify those, and we have to implement in the process so that we have the efficient process overall.
Times of transformation are the times that create possibilities. That's what 2017 has taught us. An integration of mammoth proportions was completed in record time. How has integration made it possible for us to do more, to lift businesses better?
2017 was mainly our focus was on factory integration of Chakan and Jejuri. This was finished, the work of integration was finished we started by 1st of June and we ended by November end. The three major areas of integration were the process integration, the people integration, and the schedule management.
We made project plan considering every required activity which is bounded by a defined start and end date. Matured behavior of union representative benchmark for smooth union mergers and the people safety.
क्वालिटीच्या बाबतीत बोलायचं म्हटलं तर आताच नवीन बसवलेल्या दोन मशीन जोरास्टिक आणि रोप ड्रम यामुळे आपली क्वालिटी डोमेस्टिक आणि एक्सपोर्ट सुधारलेली आहे. तसेच या एकत्रीकरणामध्ये डिमॅकहून आलेले 31 कामगार आणि कोनी क्रेनचे 259 कामगार आम्ही सर्वजण मिळून भाऊ अशा पद्धतीने काम करत आहोत. त्यांच्यामध्ये कोणताही भेदभाव करत नाहीये.
It's a hard work in silence where success is making noise.
It's been a journey of discovery. We came across new systems, new strategies that result as a natural outcome of two companies merging together.
Working with Kone Cranes has been a great experience. Initially, we thought that it would be difficult for us to move from DMAC to Kone because we were just settled with the Terex merger. However, later on, the integration process was very smooth, right from the introduction of new team members, the reintroduction of ex-team members, new work culture, and the new system of 1KC. Now we are looking forward for 1KC system, by which we'll be upgrading ourselves to the new system as well as enhancing our professional skills.
जेव्हा कोने क्रेन्स आणि डीमॅकचं एकत्रीकरण होणार होतं त्यावेळेस नवीन अशी उत्सुकता लागली होती की नवीन सहकारी येणार, नवीन सिस्टीम येणार, नवीन कंपनी, काम करण्याची पद्धत, पण काम करताना आणि नवीन सहकाऱ्यांबरोबर काम करताना असं काही जाणवलं नाही की नवीन सहकारी आहेत.
2017 will go down in the history of Konecranes India as a power-packed year. As Konecranes and DMAC became one, India was the first country globally to integrate right from services to offices to factories. For the next generation of big businesses, IT also played a dynamic role.
We started in second half of 2016 the GenX project at the back end in IT. The real action on floor was day one activity, and some of our local IT and global IT colleagues, they were present at Chakan and they did an excellent job. We have started the activities of SAP MHPS support transition in second half of 2017, and I'm happy to share a very positive feedback from top management, from the business and as well as from the IT management. To name few locations, we already completed the transitions for Chakan and also for Italy. The Germany is in the way and we have a plan for 2018.
Looking back at 2017 has asking ourselves a question. Who are we today? Aren't we far more than the sum of our parts? Yes, we now are an integrated team, geared to deliver better services than ever before, with a substantial growth potential.
With the joining of forces of two major organizations globally, it was most important for us to ensure that the teams get mentally integrated and mentally aligned with each other, which was done as the first step, and thereafter it was also demonstrated in that manner before the customers. The customers initially had a impact, but very soon understood us, and we were successful in projecting the right attitude of our organization. This resulted in the overwhelming business.
The transformation is not about changing the things, it is about redefining the things. And what we had done during this transformation is we have redefined the way of working with Konecranes, with the integrated organization of DMAC and Konecranes. With this, what was actually delivered to customer was the standard and the revised offer formats, the service reports, the integrated systems for both the integrated organization, the tools, the training center facility for both the teams, and thereon the team mindset was also transformed, I would say, in a way. This is all which we have started now, and we could see the encouraging results from our team as well as the appreciations from our customers which are coming in. Going forward, we are also working on one KC project, which is the global way of working, way of giving services and deliveries to our customers. That's a part of our 2020 vision.
2017 has had us reinforcing our definition of being a team. What does it really mean to be a combined force? What does it mean for our customers?
All our customers are also excited about this integration. For all DMAC employees, it's an exciting time, and we are very privileged to be a part of this integrated team.
Post-integration, a customer really perceives us as a true global leader in industrial crane and port solution business with a global footprint. And also, customers' expectation out of this synergy is pretty high in terms of service offering. Customer also perceive that now the product offering will be one. But when these are different, it really becomes a conversation starter, wherein it gives an opportunity for us to talk more in detail about the products offered here.
The year began with two entities in the process of merging together man and machinery. A year of obstacles in the way of a very long journey. And at the end of the journey, we step into another year as one. One energy, one force, one vision. Life at Konecranes has never been more dynamic. Where there is the new, there's always out-of-the-box thought guiding it. Where there is development, there have to be ideas fueling it. Konecranes is about a culture of innovation.
I am Kiran Attarde, responsible for research and innovation activities. Year 2017 was a great year for research and innovation activities. Number of ideas contributed from India has been increased quite a lot. it has been increased by 75% compared to last year. And out of those, 4 ideas has been shortlisted as a semi-finalist ideas for Innovation Contest 2017. Last year, we have seen that 4 of our engineers has patented the concept in USA, and that concept was regarding safety hook latch. So we have a great potential over here to contribute in innovative ideas.
One of the factors that streamlines progress and helps it sustain is stringent quality control. Indeed, a commitment to the highest standards of excellence has always been a part of how things are done at Konecranes. The company's ethos has been upheld over the years by its long-standing employees.
I am the driver of overall engineering quality. I drive this through maintaining and updating quality data and reports through various quality improvement initiatives. I also publish quality newsletter for continuous and continual quality awareness.
There is a renewed zeal. The atmosphere is ripe with a sense of opportunity. Konecranes provides every employee a chance to discover their true potential.
My name is Mansi Bhatnagar and I have recently joined Konecranes to work with documentation support team. And I got an opportunity to visit Finland. To my trip to Finland, I got to learn many tools and techniques such as TechPub Studio, Kanban methods. When I'm back to India, I'm able to apply all these tools and techniques to my work to increase my competency, and they have definitely increased my efficiency to work. I'm looking forward to work with Konecranes ahead.
2017 brought numerous advancements in every aspect of who we are, right from ideas to execution to service. Ours has truly been a vibrant journey. We look back with pride at 2017. We recognize and reward in each other the willingness to always go the extra mile. Our award nominations are an example of this. The Value Champion Award is for the knight who championed in terms of overall performance, Konecranes values demonstration, cross-functional project participation, outstanding performance for company growth, and the NPS score. The Safety Champion Award is given for HSE performance, NPS score, and above all else, helping make Konecranes a secure place to work. We who laud achievements that go beyond the scope of work have the Extra Mileage Award for the one who excelled in academics, sports, or cultural activities. Thus, be it the way we interact, or the products we make, or the values we uphold, we are, in all of it, integrated. United we stand, and united we lift.